Okay, garbage collection day. Where are the garbage? Those trains?
Yeah.
Those are not garbage. Those are engines. Die-cast engines. I mean metal engines. Racing Raul. Diesel. Racing Ivan. And the blue trash bin. It's Timothy. Go, mommy. There you go. For the trash. For the trash. Nice marks, no? No more trash. Nice. Awesome feature, huh, Markslin? Awesome! How did you do that, mommy? Oh, there you go. Alright, one more chain. Okay, mommy.
Okay.
One more. Oh, you got it?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Hook it. Nice job. Okay, put it up, mommy. Okay, awesome. Maxen, look, oh. Nice, oh. Oh, see? Nice, eh, Maxen? Eh, Maxen, oh. There you go, boy. Wait, let's do it again. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. And there are supporting legs, mommy. Put those legs down. There you go. Nice. Can you open that door, mommy? That black door? Yes, you can. Awesome.
Okay.
Pour the trash out. Pour them out. Yeah, engine startup sound. Oh no! Bulldozing time. Okay, on to the flatbed. Fix it, mommy. Make it straight. There you go. Adjust the crane, mommy. Make it shorter. There you go. Okay, the Jeep is now on the flatbed. Awesome, mommy. Put the legs up, mommy. The leg support of the truck. Put them up. Okay, nice. Marksman, nice, oh. And you can lift up the front scooper, right, mommy? There you go. Yes, you can. Awesome, right? The engines. Ow! Time for delivery. Rosie and Lightning McQueen. Oh no, they got bulldozed. Oh no. Yeah. Press the button, mommy. There you go. Yeah. Markslin, oh? You like it, Markslin? A bulldozer. You're gonna bulldoze Lightning McQueen? Time to go, mommy. Time to deliver the Jeep to the auto shop. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep. A Mercedes-Benz Sprinter flatbed tow truck. A smaller version backhoe in orange and a bigger version in yellow. Nice, eh? Look at those engines. Oh my goodness. Okay, dump them, mommy. Oh! Oh! Finn, the fire truck. Oh, it's rubber, Marksland. Nice. Rubber trucks. Awesome. Yeah. With sound effects, eh? Nice, oh. Rubber trucks. Yeah, I know, huh? Awesome truck, boy. Okay, hook it. Onto the flatbed. Mommy's doing it. Mommy's doing it. Oh! Again, mommy, back up, back up. Teet, 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 teet. Okay, good job. Okay, put the stoppers, mommy. So the Jeep will not fall off. We need those stoppers.
Hey.
Alright, perfect. Awesome job, mommy. Oh no! Oh no! The engines! The engines! The engines! Oh my goodness! Oh, you can steer the steering wheel. Cool. That's nice. With sound effects. Bulldozing time! Oh no! Mater! Bulldoze time! Bulldoze time! Bulldoze time! You wanna change the color, mommy, of the siren lights?
Okay.
Okay. Hide them.
Here. All set.
Alright. Nice, eh, Marksland? What do you say, mommy? Nice trucks, eh? Yep, yep, yep. Haha, beep, 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 beep. Nice boy, no? Oh! Scoop them up! Scoop them up! There you go! The engines and Harold! Harold the helicopter! Oh, rubber tires, Marksland! Cool! Yep, rubber tires! Baby girl na yan, oh. Okay, we have two trucks. A backhoe and a bulldozer. Nice, eh? Offroad cars. Nice, Offroad Lightning McQueen. Nice baby girl. Yeah, nice, mommy. Oh no! The truck crashed! Silly Marksland. What have you done, boy? I see Mac Holler. Hello, Mac Holler. How are you? Mac Holler. Okay. And that's the other way of towing the Jeep. Yay! What's inside the trash bin, Mommy? Oh, it's Timothy! Silly! That's Timothy! Timothy is not a trash or a garbage. He's a cute little engine. Oh no, the trains! The engines! Oh my! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! There's a broom, huh, Mommy? Go sweep the floor, Mommy! There you go. Nice truck, huh, Marceline? Neat. Cool. Okay, to the dump site. Engine startup sound, Mommy. With working headlights. The headlights do light up. Marceline. Hey, Marceline, oh. Put up the ramp, boy. There you go. Nice, huh? Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. I see. Beep, beep. Okay. And there is the engine. Nice. Engine startup sound. A backhoe. Nice. Open the doors, Mommy. There you go. Now we can see the interior part of the truck. Okay, nice. And the front scooper. How do you put it down, Mommy? Bulldoze, bulldoze time. Oh! They got bulldozed. And there's the backhoe truck. Marks and cheese. Double stock, Marksland. A double stock vehicle. The Jeep is on the top of the police car. That's crazy, Marksland. What are you doing, Mommy? The winch. Okay. Nice, Mommy. Oh! Mommy! You let it go! Silly girl. Yay! Marksland! Double stacker! Look at those cars, Mommy. They are both stacked up. Marksland, that is so silly.
Like that.
Beep, 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 beep.